Women first, prosperity for all. We must ensure women entrepreneurs have access to capital, access to networks and mentors, and access to equitable laws.
We've also decided to announce what is called as VHub for women entrepreneurs only, and we will be launching that in the state of Telangana, and this will be a role model for the rest of the country as well.
And within no time really, we've in fact been able to give some shape to it. One of its kind of initiative of the government of Telangana in the country today.
We are embarking on this journey with the humility that there is a lot of barriers to overcome and a lot of learnings to be made.
I'm very confident that now that VHub is moving into its own permanent space, much more curated programs can happen there, and the entire ecosystem which is required to promote women entrepreneurship can be created here.
My name is Chetna and I'm the founder of forwardparcel.com.
I'm Pavni Lola, founder of FutureStep.
I'm Komal. I am founder of Blue Condoms.
I'm Uma Kasoji, co-founder of Femvista Technologies.
I'm Meenal. I'm the founder of the brand Mystic Aura.
I'm Kanika. We both are founders of Design OK Solutions. We are right now working on Ventilator, which is a low-cost portable ventilator.
I'm Shwetambari, the founder of Newslink, a child-friendly newspaper.
I'm Shilpa Rao and I'm the founder for VPAC.
Hi, I'm Anisha. We are the founders of Bold Cold Brew. We are India's first bottled, ready-to-drink cold brewed coffee shot company.
My name is Vijaya. I'm an architect and an environmentalist. I'm also the founding director of Architude, which works on sustainable building technologies.
I'm Nilima Chaudhary. I'm from Exotic Blooming Teas. Exotic Blooming Teas is a leaf tea company. It curates high-end leaf tea.
My name is Sirisha Gandhi and I run a startup called Woo Blue, and we deliver personal assistant services through an app.
నా పేరు అశ్విని, నేను ప్రస్తుతానికి వీవింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను.
నా పేరు శిల్ప అండి, మాది ప్రాపర్ వచ్చేసి సూర్యాపేట, పట్టుపురుగుల పెంపకం స్టార్ట్ చేసినాం.
Hi, I am Kavita, co-founder of Laddu Box. Laddu Box is a nutritional snack company.
నా పేరు కావ్య, మాది వచ్చేసి తెల్లారిపల్లి, ఖమ్మం రూరల్. మష్రూమ్ ఫార్మింగ్ అయితే బాగుంటుంది అనేసి మష్రూమ్ ఫార్మింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను.
This is Bharti. I'm co-founder at Frugal Testing. At Frugal Testing, we have come up with a SaaS-based, on-demand load testing solution to check scalability of web and mobile applications.
I'm Prasanna. I'm the founder of Dhairya. Our vision with Dhairya is to normalize the idea of professional women drivers and also to increase the participation of women in workforce.
Young startup, we wanted to have mentors and support from VHub.
Till now, VHub helped us connect to industry mentors who are helping us with our marketing strategy.
VHub team also came forward in helping us with the government connects and also getting us the support of new product research and development.
I never understood more about loans and credit linkages, MSME schemes and all of it. VHub is the one who has taught me and educated me in all of it.
VHub supported me in attending various events within Hyderabad. It gave me an opportunity to network with more and more people, create visibility about my startup.
The mentorship that we gained there was very, very enriching. How to creatively build your brand, how to position your brand.
VHub has been like my fairy godmother who tried to show me exactly what I was lacking and what CL was lacking at that point.
My company was already running, I had my customers and everything, but I was facing a lot of issues with logistics and things like that. But after coming to VHub, they gave me renewed confidence. We rebranded. I was able to get much better designers, and all places where I was having a lot of bottlenecks were being helped out and mentored to me.
బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళతోటి, చార్టెడ్ అకౌంటెంట్స్ తోటి, జనరల్ అనాలిసిస్ తోటి అందరితోటి పరిచయాలు చేసుకుని బిజినెస్ని ఎట్లా పెంచుకోవాలి, కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ఎట్లా పెంచుకోవాలి, డెవలప్మెంట్ ఎట్లా చేసుకోవాలి, లెక్కలు ఎట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, బ్రేక్ ఈవెన్ అంటే ఏంది, అసలు బిజినెస్ ఎట్లా డెవలపింగ్, అవన్నీ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నాను నేను.
రైట్ టైంలో నాకు రైట్ చాయిస్ లాగా VHub ఒక తోడు దొరికిందండి.
నా ప్లాన్ జస్ట్ ఒక దారిని తీసుకెళ్తుంది, కానీ VHub వాళ్ళు 10 రకాల నుంచి వాళ్ళు ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళ ఐడియాస్ నాకు ఇంకా చాలా బెస్ట్ అనిపించింది, ఎందుకంటే బిజినెస్ చేసే వాళ్ళకు ఒకటే మైండ్ అనేది పనికి రాదు.
నేను నేర్పించిన నలుగురికి అంటే ఆ నలుగురు బయటికి పోయి మళ్ళీ 4 మిషన్లు పెట్టుకున్నారంటే వాళ్ళ చేతి కింద 4 నేర్చుకుని వచ్చిందంటే అట్లా 1000 మంది డెవలప్ అవుతారు.
Building a product from scratch was very difficult, and when we have shared this problem with the WeHub team, they have connected us with a technology mentor, and especially a technology mentor from an edutech background itself has helped us a lot.
So Australia was very proud to be WeHub's first international supporter. We partnered with them on a program to support 5 women-led social enterprises to scale up their activities.
WeHub is our key partner in Hyderabad to tap into that ecosystem, to get connected to the key partners, to better understand what's going on, what are the key themes.
WeHub, I would consider a model institution, creating awareness beyond the project as such.
Ramki Enviro and WeHub had partnered to launch a pre-incubation program, Project Suvidha, to ensure that potential women entrepreneurs are given the needed guidance in terms of technical support and mentoring to transform their ideas into established business enterprises.
WeHub is the only kind of incubator across the country which has already become inspiration for other states to follow of how it's been able to foster women entrepreneurship.